Marist Stella High School. Primary. First Semestral Assessment 2019. Primary 3 Mathematics. Marist Stella High School. Primary. First Semestral Assessment 2019. Primary 3 Mathematics. Booklet A. Section A. Question 1. In 5678, the digit missing number is in the hundreds place. In 5678, the digit 6 is in the hundreds place. The answer is 2. Question 2. 7800 is the same as missing number. "78 ones" is the same as 78. 78 tens is the same as 780. 78 hundreds is the same as 7800. 78 thousands is the same as 78,000. The answer is 3. Question 3. 6 eighths is equal to missing equation. Six eighths is 6 groups of 8, and will be multiply 6 by 8, and the product is 48. The answer is 2. Question 4. $1,000 is made up of missing number, $50 notes. We can simplify the $1,000 and $50 to the simplest form by cancelling away the last zero from $1,000 and $50. Divide $1,000 by $50 will be equal to divide $100 by $5, and the quotient is 20. $1,000 is made up of 20 $50 notes. The answer is 2. Question 5. Which one of the following set of numbers is arranged from smallest to the greatest? One. 1418 is smaller than 1430. 1430 is greater than 1425. 2. 5837 is smaller than 5904. 5904 is greater than 5846. 3. 7270 is greater than 7216. 4. 8216 is smaller than 8245. 8245 is smaller than 8309. 8309 is smaller than 8324. The answer is 4. Question 6. Add 4100 to 325, and it is equal to add 4000 to missing number to 20 and to 5. Add 4100 to 325, and the sum is 4425. 4425 is equal to add 4000 to 400 to 20 and to 5. The answer is 4. Question 7. 49 is equal to missing number, groups of 7, plus 5, groups of 7. Five groups of 7 is equal to multiply 5 by 7, and the product is 35. Subtract 35 from 49, and the difference is 14. 14 is equal to 2 group of 7. 49 is equal to 2 groups of 7 plus 5 groups of 7. The answer is 2. Question 8. Divide 8,000 by 4, and it is equal to missing number, tens. Divide 8,000 by 4, and the quotient is 2,000. 2,000 is equal to divide 2,000 by 10, and the quotient is 200. Divide 8,000 by 4, and the quotient is 200 tens. The answer is 4. Question 9. Add 486 to 254, and it is equal to subtract 920 from missing number. Add 486 to 254, and the sum is 740. Subtract 920 from 740, and the difference is 180. Add 486 to 254, and it is equal to subtract 920 from 180. The answer is 2. Question 10. Divide missing number by 8. It is equal to multiply 4 by 4. The product of 4 and 4 will be multiply 4 by 4, and the product is 16. The missing number will be multiply 16 by 8, and the product is 128. The missing number is 128. The answer is 4. Question 10. David has 10 24 Pokémon cards. He has 158 cards more than Sean. How many Pokémon cards does Sean have? The amount of Pokémon cards Sean have will be subtract 158 from 1024, and the difference is 866. Sean has 866 Pokémon cards. The answer is 1. Question 12. Timmy has 10 20-cent coins, and some 50-cent coins. All these coins add up to $5.50. How many 50-cent coins does Timmy have? The amount of 10 20 cents will be multiply 20 cents by 10, and the product is $2. The total amount of money, less the amount of 10 20-cent coins, will be subtract $2.20 from $5.50, and the difference is $3.50. The number of 50-cent coins will be divide $3.50 by 50 cents, and the quotient is 7. The answer is 3. Question 13. Amelia bought a doll and a watch. The doll cost $35, and it is $12.55 cheaper than the watch. How much did she pay for both items altogether? The cost of the watch will be add $35 to $12.55, and the sum is $47.55. The total cost of the doll and the watch will be add $35 to $47.55, and the sum is $82.55. The answer is 4. Question 14. There were 140 apples in a crate. Jenny bought 6 crates of apples, and another 65 apples. How many apples did Jenny buy altogether? Six crates of apples will be, multiply 6 by 140, and the product is 840. The total number of apples will be, add 840 to 65, and the sum is 905. Jenny bought 905 apples. The answer is 1. Question 15. Luke has 217 stamps. He has 7 times as many stamps as Keith. How many more stamps does Luke have than Keith? The number of stamps Keith have will be, divide 217 by 7, and the quotient is 31. The difference in number of stamps between Luke and Keith will be, subtract 31 from 217, and the difference is 186. The answer is 1. Question 16. There are 42 passengers on bus A, and 18 passengers on bus B. How many passengers must be transferred from bus A to bus B, so that there is an equal number of passengers on both buses? The total number of passengers will be, add 42 to 18, and the sum 60. Same number of passengers on each bus will be, divide 60 by 2, and the quotient is 30. The number of passenger transferred from bus A to bus B will be, subtract 18 from 30, and the difference is 12. The answer is 1. Question 17. Ahmad used 3 types of shapes, square, circle, and triangle, to make a pattern. The first 12 shapes are shown below. Ahmad used a total of 48 shapes to make the pattern. How many circles did he use? The pattern repeat after every 4 shapes. There are 2 circles in each set of pattern. The number of repeated sets of pattern will be, divide 48 by 4, and the quotient is 12. The number of circles will be, multiply 12 by 2, and the product is 24. The answer is 3. Marist Stella High School. Primary. First Semestral Assessment 2019. Primary 3 Mathematics. Booklet B. Section B. Question 18. In 6192, the value of the digit 6 is missing number. In 6192, the value of the digit 6 is 6000. Question 19. Write 8,503 in numerals. $8,503 in numerals will be 8,503. Question 20. Use all the digits below to form the smallest 4-digit odd number. 2, 1, 6, 5. To form the smallest 4-digit odd number, The smallest digit will be in the thousands place, and greatest will be in the ones place. The smallest digit to be used in the thousands place will be 1. The next smallest digit to be used in the hundreds place will be 2. The next smallest digit to be used in the tens place will be 6, as 5 will be used in the ones place to form the odd number. The last digit to be used in the ones place will be 5. The smallest four-digit odd number will be 1265. Question 21. Samuel had $10. He bought the set meal, and received $2.85 change. How much did he pay for the meal? The amount of money Samuel paid will be, subtract $2.85 from $10, and the difference is $7.15. Samuel paid $7.15 for the meal. Question 22. Susan puts 274 donuts in boxes. Each box can hold 6 donuts. What is the least number of boxes she needs to pack all the donuts? The number of boxes needed will be divided 274 by 6, and the quotient is 45. Remainder 4. Susan will need one more box for the remainder 4 donuts. Susan needs 46 boxes to pack all the donuts. Question 23. Trevor shaded some numbers to make a pattern, but missed out 2 numbers. Which 2 numbers should Trevor shade in order to complete the pattern? The shaded numbers 8, 24, and 32 are multiple of 8. The 2 missing number will be 16 and 40. Question 24. Fill the blanks using 2 of the numbers given below. 1646, 1846, 2156, 2056. A. Is 210 more than B? The difference between 1846 and 1646 will be, subtract 1646 from 1846, and the difference is 200. The difference between 2156 and 1646 will be, subtract 1646 from 2156, and the difference is 510. The difference between 2056 and 1646 will be, subtract 1646 from 2056, and the difference is 410. The difference between 1846 and 2156 will be, subtract 1846 from 2156, and the difference is 310. The difference between 1846 and 2056 will be, subtract 1846 from 2056, and the difference is 210. The D difference between 2156 and 2056 will be, subtract 2056 from 2156, and the difference is 100. A. The answer is 2056. B. The answer is 1846. Question 25. I am a number between 4,000 and 5,000. The digit in the hundreds place is 2. The digit in the ones place is 3 times the digit in the hundreds place. The digit in the thousands place and tens place add up to 9. What number am I? The digit in ones place will be multiply 2 by 3, and the product is 6. The digit in the thousands place is 4. As the number is between 4,000 to 5,000. The digit in the tens place will be subtract 4 from 9, and the difference is 5. The number is 4,256. Question 26. Study the number pattern below. 3,488, 3,472, 3,457, 3,443. P. Q. 3,407. What are the numbers represented by P and Q? The difference between 3,488 and 3,472 will be subtract 3,472 from 3,488, and the difference is 16. The difference between 3,472 and 3,457 will be subtract 3,457 from 3,472, and the difference is 15. The difference between 3,457 and 3,443 will be subtract 3,443 from 3,457, and the difference is 14. The difference between two numbers is in decreasing order. The difference reduced by 1 between two consecutive numbers. The value of P will be subtract 13 from 3,443, and the difference is 3,430. The value of Q will be subtract 12 from 3,430, and the difference is 3,418. Let us do a cross-check on the answer. The difference between 3,418 and 3,407 will be subtract 3,407 from 3,418, and the difference is 11. The value of P is 3,430, and the value of Q is 3,418. Question 27. The difference between two numbers is 186. The smaller number is 327. What is the bigger number? The bigger number will be add 186 to 327, and the sum is 513. The bigger number is 513. Question 28. Chun Ming has the amount of money shown below. How much money does he have? The total amount of notes will be add $50 to $10, to $10, to $2, and to $5, and the sum is $77. The total amount of coins will be add 5 cents to 10 cents, to 20 cents, to 50 cents, and to $1, and the sum is $1.85. The total amount of money will be add $77 to $1.85, and the sum is $78.85. Chun Ming has $78.85. Question 29. There are 1,300 children at a fun fair. 540 of them are boys. How many more girls than boys are there at the fun fair? The number of girls at the fun fair will be subtract 540 from 1,300, and the difference is 760. The difference between the number of girls and the number of boys will be subtract 540 from 760, and the difference is 220. There are 220 more girls than boys at the fun fair. Question 30. What is the missing number in the box? In the ones place, the difference between 9 and 5 is 4. The digit 4 will be at the ones place. In the tens place, the digit 2 is less than 9. It will need to borrow a 10 from hundreds place. The difference between 12 and 9 will be 3. In the hundreds place, digit 6 will become 5 after lending a 10 to the tens place. As digit 5 is less than the digit 7 at the hundreds place, digit 5 will need to borrow a 10 from the thousands place. The difference between 15 and 7 will be 8. The missing number in the box is 8. Question 31. Study the pictures below carefully. Based on the information given, each statement below is either true or false. For each statement, put a tick in the column to indicate your answer. A. Tom spent $100. He bought the t-shirt and the pants. B. Paul used 6 $10 notes to pay for the belt. He received $2.60 change. The cost of the t-shirt and the pants will be add $42.60 to $58.40, and the sum is $101. A. Tom spent $100. He bought the t-shirt and the pants is false. The change received will be subtract $57.40 from $60, and the difference is $2.60. B. Paul used 6 $10 notes to pay for the belt. He received $2.60 change is true. Question 32. Janice prepares some goodie bags for her friends. She puts 7 mini chocolate bars and 5 lollipops into each goodie bag. She puts 120 lollipops into the goodie bags altogether. How many mini chocolate bars does she put into the goodie bags altogether? The number of goodie bags prepared will be divide 120 by 5, and the quotient is 24. The number of mini chocolate bars will be multiply 24 by 7, and the product is 168. Janice put 168 chocolate bars into the goodie bags. Question 33. When 3 boys share some marbles equally, each boy will get 48 marbles. When 8 boys share these marbles equally, how many marbles will each boy get? The total number of marbles will be multiply 48 by 3, and the product is 144. The number of marbles each boy get will be divide 144 by 8, and the quotient is 18. Each boy will get 18 marbles. Question 34. 8 balloons are tied to a piece of rope. They are placed 3 meters apart from each other. 1 meter of rope is left at each end of the rope. How long is the piece of rope? The distance between 2 balloons is 3 meters apart. There are 7 such gap in between 8 balloons. The distance between first balloon to the 8th balloon will be multiply 3 meters by 7, and the product is 21 meters. The total length of rope will be add 21 meters to 1 meter, and to 1 meter, and the sum is 23 meters. The piece of rope is 23 meters long. Question 35. There are a total of 12 cars and motorcycles in a car park. They have 38 wheels altogether. How many cars are there in the car park? We will start off with 6 cars and 6 motorcycles. There are a total of 36 wheels. We will increase the number of cars to 7, and reduce the number of motorcycle to 5. There are a total of 38 wheels. There are 7 cars in the car park. Marist Stella High School. Primary. First Semestral Assessment 2019. Primary 3 Mathematics. Booklet B. Section C. Question 36. There are 6,893 English books in a library. The number of Chinese books is 253, less than the number of English books. The number of Malay books is 106, less the number of Chinese books. How many Malay books are there in the library? The number of Chinese books will be, subtract 253 from 6,893, and the difference is 6,640. The number of Malay books will be, subtract 106 from 6,640, and the difference is 6,534. There are 6,534 Malay books in the library. Question 37. A dining table cost $175, more than a chair. Mrs. Sim bought 1 dining table, and 6 such chairs for $658. Find the cost of a chair. The cost of 1 dining table, and 6 chairs will be, add 1 unit to $175, and to 6 units, and the sum is $658. Add 7 units to $175, and the sum is $658. 7 units will be, subtract $175 from $658, and the difference is $483. 1 unit will be, divide $483 by 7, and the quotient is $69. A chair costs $69. Question 38. Baker Smith sold a total of 5,000 cookies on day 1, and day 2. He sold 2,158 cookies on day 1. He sold 365 more cookies on day 1, than on day 3. A. How many cookies did he sell in day 2? B. How many cookies did he sell on day 3? The number of cookies sold on day 2 will be, subtract 2,158 from 5,000, and the difference is 2,842. A. Baker Smith sold 2,842 cookies on day 2. The number of cookies sold on day 3 will be, subtract 365 from 2,158, and the difference is 1,793. B. Baker Smith sold 1,793 cookies on day 3. Question 39. Daniel had 2 times as many stickers as Bill. Eric had 3 times as many stickers as Daniel. Eric had 450 stickers. A. Eric pasted 8 stickers on each page of his sticker book. How many stickers were on the last page he pasted? B. How many stickers did Bill have? The number of stickers on the last page will be, divide 450 by 8, and the quotient is 56. Remainder 2. A. Eric pasted 2 stickers on the last page of his sticker book. The number of sticker Daniel have will be, divide 450 by 3, and the quotient is 150. The number of stickers Bill have will be, divide 150 by 2, and the quotient is 75. B. Bill had 75 stickers. Question 40. Lisa, Tina, and Susan, have $420 altogether. Tina has $5 less than Lisa. Susan has 3 times as much money as Lisa. A. The $420 are made up of 4 $5 notes, and the rest are $10 notes. How many $10 notes are there? B. How much money does Lisa have? The total amount for 4 $5 notes will be, multiply 4 by $5, and the product is $20. The total amount of $10 notes will be, subtract $20 from $420, and the difference is $400. The number of $10 notes will be, divide 400 by 10, and the quotient is 40. A. There are 40 $10 notes. The total amount of money will be, add 5 units to $20, and the sum is $420. 5 units will be, subtract $20 from $420, and the difference is $400. 1 unit will be, divide $400 by 5, and the quotient is $80. The amount of money Lisa have will be, add $80 to $5, and the sum is $85. B. Lisa has $85. If you enjoy our video, please do click on like and share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel.